Hi, this is Instructor Fran here, coming to you from Tetonia, Idaho, which is kind of near Jackson Hole, Wyoming. I have my teaching assistant, Stormy, here, and my other teaching assistant is snoozing downstairs, my black lab, Sadie. But yeah, I just wanted to welcome you to English C1000, Academic Reading and Writing. A real person behind the computer. So yeah, just wanted to welcome you and let you know, just highlight a few things about our class. First of all, there are 2 modules to work on for this first week of the summer term. You need to do the Welcome to the Course and Getting Started module, and you need to do the module 1. It's a lot of work. Usually things will be due on Wednesdays and Fridays. They still are for this first week of assignments, but I'm going to give a grace period through Sunday for this first week since there's a bit more to complete. So I hope that helps. In week 1, in order to not be dropped from the class, there's 3 important assignments that you need to complete in that Welcome to the Course and Getting Started module. You need to complete the contract grade that you want, and I'll talk about that in just a minute. You need to take the video quiz on AI use in our class, and then you also need to take the Getting Started, like the syllabus quiz is what I think I have it called right now. So you need to take those 3 things to not be dropped from the class. And the 2 quizzes, you have to make sure you get 100%. You can take them over. Kitty's just taking a peek. She doesn't know what's going on. You need to take those quizzes over until you get them 100%. So make sure that you do that. And then the last piece that there's 2 small things that I want to talk about. So I'm going to mention this later, but it really rocked my world to find out that any assignment, when it gets a letter grade on it, it's much less likely that students look at the feedback. So our class is going to combine this idea of mastery grading and contract grading. So in a nutshell, you're going to get to pick what grade you want to earn for class. There's certain requirements in terms of which assignments you complete to earn that grade, and that'll be explained more in the Welcome to the Course and Getting Started module. For an assignment to be accepted as completed, there's a certain standard it has to meet, and that'll be spelled out for each assignment. It's basically just following the directions. That's probably one of the big things. And then the other thing that I want to mention is I know that there are these generative AI tools that are out there now that can help us with a lot of types of writing. But right now for this class, that's not what the class is about. It's not jumping through a hoop to have a written product. I'm hoping that you use the occasion to exercise your brain and think about how writing and communication, those skills are still important. And we don't want to be outsourcing all of our thinking and writing to programs. So in that vein, just know that drafting with AI programs is not allowed, and I'm going to be strict about that. And I've taught for over 25 years, so I know what people's writing sounds like. So if I have a question, then I'm going to reach out to you and talk to you about it. But know that I really value, above all, authentic human voice. I don't care as much about grammar and mechanics. I don't need anything to be perfect in our class. I want it to be perfectly yours. So my expectation is that you do write the work yourself. And there'll be a lot more detail about that in the Welcome to the Course and Getting Started module. So with all that said, your voice matters. Let's work on developing it. Please reach out to me with any questions. The Canvas inbox is the best place to send me a message. I don't check my email that much. So if you have a question, please reach out to me, send me a message there. And yeah, I'm really excited to work with you this quick 6-week term. Take care.